Hello friends, Mark Holmes here with my buddy Cowboy Jobu, reporting live here at the Star. Happy to report that the Dallas Cowboys have broken minicamp without breaking anybody, contrary to what the NFL wants them to have, which is physical practices. Behind me, the world class, actually in a class of itself, training facility of the Dallas Cowboys, where they will hope to get number 6. We will be doing a tour inside. Now, of course, cameras are not allowed, as well as just finding out neither are your bags. So in this 99-degree weather, they got to go back to the vehicle and lock their stuff up. That's Mark Holmes, reporting live outside the Star.